Hi, my name is Will Stiles. I'm from Vertikit, and our project is Farm Builder, which is a software development initiative building a design tool to allow people to build their own controlled environment farms. CEA is an essential future component of food production in Wales. We need CEA to ensure that we reduce the environmental impact of current food production, but also maintain food security in the future. Launchpad has given us a brilliant opportunity to start building the next generation of technologies that we need as part of our business Vertikit to allow people to design their own farms. This has advanced us as a company considerably in a very short space of time. The next stages for Vertikit include building on the Farm Builder software and developing the next generation of our knowledge resources, which are also going to be so valuable for farmers in engaging with CEA technologies in the future.
My role during Farm Builder was to work on creating a database of all different crops that can be grown hydroponically in their growing conditions. I also worked on the company's social media, producing informational posts for the Instagram. I've learnt many skills during my time working with Vertikit, but I think most importantly I've learnt research skills, which is really important as I want to go into research after I finish university.
I'm Sue Dently, an environmental scientist at Pennotec. Our company creates quality products for the benefit of health, environmental and societal well-being. We manufacture wholly natural chitosan water cleaning products under the trading name Pennotec for sale into home and leisure markets. We see a great opportunity to expand our Floxan brand and sustainability know-how into pollution control in industrial and environmental markets. By using our Floxan solid liquid separation aids, livestock slurry volumes can be reduced, mitigating the risk of accidental groundwater and river pollution with phosphates and nitrates. We've demonstrated that Floxan is effective at dewatering slurries, and our adsorbent will remove phosphates and nitrates from the resulting liquid streams. Access to analytical expertise at IBERS has enabled us to evaluate their use in removing antibiotics which could be present in slurries. Coaching support provided by the Mid Wales Launchpad has helped us to improve our marketing communications. We are seeking cooperation and funding opportunities to demonstrate our pollution control technology at scale.
As Pennotec's Skills Builder candidate, I have worked as an analyst using mass spectroscopy to detect antibiotics in livestock slurries. I have gained valuable experience and transferable skills from working with environmental scientists at Pennotec and researchers at IBERS, helping to tackle the worldwide problem of antibiotic resistance. I've improved my business communication skills through interaction with many of the people who assisted me, especially in terms of emails, where I've been able to be professional and concise with information. With the transferable skills I have developed through the Skills Builder, I feel I have a competitive edge in my CV for a future in the research industry.
My name's Stephen and I'm the founder at Nellie. And at Nellie, we develop and deploy innovative carbon capture technologies in the fight to reverse climate change. I'm sitting on our prototype, which is appropriately called Little Nellie. We spent the last 3 months designing, developing and deploying Little Nellie, and we've been able to do this through our participation in the Mid Wales Challenge Launchpad. As a direct result of being part of the challenge, we've accelerated our R&D journey with both the funding provided and the access to the resources we've had. We've added 2 full-time staff to our headcount, and as well as the industrial and commercial experience they've gained, they've also completed a raft of technical and commercial training courses. We've made full use of the world-class facilities here at Aberinnovation, and our presence here has meant that we've been able to form collaboration agreements with both Aberystwyth University and local farms and businesses. Everything we've done has been done here in the Mid Wales region, and whilst most of it could have happened elsewhere, it certainly wouldn't have happened so quickly. We've been able to accelerate our R&D journey by being part of the Launchpad Challenge, and the support of our stakeholders has been invaluable.
Hi, I'm Tim Brooks, Technical Director of Enviro365. And this is Aquasense. Aquasense is an Internet of Things device that uses LoRaWAN to communicate water quality and contamination information wirelessly to your desktop and mobile phone. The unit is equipped with a variety of modern, ultra-compact water quality sensors on this unit, including for phosphate, nitrate ammonium and temperature. But the unit can be equipped with sensors for a variety of water quality parameters. The device uses LoRaWAN wireless communication to put the data exactly where you need it, when you need it, on your mobile phone and your desktop computer, to give instant, early warning of deterioration in water quality and enable better farm management practice.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Tim Kearns from New Juice, and we talk about the Aberinnovation Launchpad project concerning fresh milk in glass bottles and proposed micro dairy at Trascoid Farm. So there's a twofold objective to look at local processing at Trascoid Farm and also to look at getting fresh milk into glass bottles as opposed to plastic. So this is that's the empty bottle, and that's the filled bottle of fresh milk. So the big question is, can it be produced locally and economically and to required quality? The proposal is to build a micro dairy in a shipping container and put that shipping container on Trascoid Farm. Been a number of meetings with the farm director and the farm manager of Trascoid, who have been very open and positive towards this project. It's a good farm, there's plenty of milk and there's plenty of space to site the proposed shipping container. We've done preliminary costings, which, subject to achieving certain volumes, appears to stack up economically, would appear to make a lot of sense, not only for the supply of fresh milk in glass bottles to the university itself, but to other catering, retailers, etc. in Aberystwyth and the surrounding towns. So overall, I think thanks to the support of Aberinnovation, the component part, the trial has showed that the component part, i.e. the selling of the milk and the potential building the micro dairy for Trascoid, it makes a lot of sense commercially, environmentally, sustainable wise, local employment, etc., etc. So thank you everyone. Thank you to the Launchpad project. Very interesting, very positive. Thank you.
Hi, and welcome to our Launchpad project. My name is Erin Abrams, and this is our project Coffee and Seaweed. So in our project, we've been looking at coffee. 2 billion cups of coffee are consumed every day. And so with our Launchpad Skills Builder, we've been looking into using coffee as a health intervention by fortifying it with seaweed. Research has shown that seaweed can aid blood glucose control, and so it could potentially support diabetes health, which is an expensive and harmful disease that affects millions of people worldwide. Seaweed could also benefit the environment, as it's a sustainable solution for anyone who enjoys coffee and sequesters ocean carbon as it grows. Novel processing methods that we've been using disguise the taste of seaweed, and we've used these methods and then optimized it for coffee. We've then performed lab tests to find out what bioactive compounds we can extract under different conditions. We interviewed potential users of the product as well as potential vendors to test the concept. So far, the results are really promising and lead us to believe that the future of coffee is in fact fortified. We're excited to take this concept forward. Please follow us on Instagram to see the journey unfold at Jonah and the Way. Thank you very much.
I'm Lucy Hughes, the founder of MarinaTex, which is a startup that's developed a new material made from seafood waste and red algae, designed as a planet-conscious alternative to single-use plastic films. So this project is focused on optimizing certain properties of the films so that we can expand the product portfolio and crucially provide a plastic-free alternative to the films that are currently used in agriculture. So ultimately, this is addressing the industry's environmental impact. I'd like to thank the challenge-led Launchpad team and of course the cohort of businesses for introducing us to relevant experts, finding new project partners, for supporting with project challenges, and of course providing the capital to actually make the innovation happen. The next steps for MarinaTex is to grow the team, plugging the gaps required for growth and scale up.
Hi, my name is Anfisa and I worked as a research assistant for the project. My tasks included data collection, report writing, and communication with other businesses. While working with MarinaTex, I learned more about sustainability and the science behind MarinaTex product. I also gained some valuable insight in how the business operates and had a chance to start a Python course. Although I'm not sure what I'm going to do exactly after I finish my studies, I hope to continue my career in scientific research and help people with my work.
My name is Mark Pavey from Conwy Kombucha Limited. Our project has looked at the viability of using the waste that arises from the manufacture of our organic kombucha to act as a substitute to ammonium nitrate-based fertilisers within the food chain. The Welsh population and the global population need healthy, nutritious food, and we need to produce that in a way that isn't harmful in a long-term fashion to the environment. Mid Wales Challenge-led Launchpad funding has allowed us to test the viability of this technology and this solution, and has allowed us to meet two fantastic university students at Aberystwyth, and has also allowed for collaboration with Aberinnovation, leading to further relationships within Aberystwyth University. Next steps for us are selling this on Amazon and getting more data and pursuing viability of using this technology in larger quantities of land.
I'm Naomi and I worked at Conwy Kombucha as part of the Launchpad Skills Builder scheme. During my time working for Conwy Kombucha, I did some research and wrote a report specifically on the resilience of home growing. The report focused on how home growers can maintain a resilient garden. In the future, I hope to complete my microbiology degree at Aberystwyth University.
Hi, my name's Erin and I worked for Conwy Kombucha as a project assistant. I was writing reports, specifically the one about fermentation techniques and functional vegetable growth. The report was focused on the different possible techniques to improve the process of production of food. As a part of this program, I was able to participate in British Science Week, and I've improved my communication skills. After I finish the university, I want to work as an IT specialist.
My name is Kevin Stevens and I'm a hill farmer from Mid Wales. I'm also founder of Agroceutical Products Limited, which produces the Alzheimer's drug galantamine from daffodils grown under special conditions in the mountains of Wales. Our project, Next Gen Nutrient Management Planning, has been investigating the use of Raman spectroscopy to evaluate the nutrient content of farmyard manure. Hill livestock farms produce a lot of farmyard manure. Used effectively, it can be very beneficial for the crops. However, it can cause problems. Understanding the nutrient content of this material enables farmers to use it to best effect. Support from the Mid Wales Challenge enabled us to explore the use of new mobile Raman technology to evaluate the nutrient content of farmyard manure in real time on farm. In addition, we've been asked to use Raman analysis to assist with the project, developing ways to clean up gas from on-farm anaerobic digestion of this sort of material for energy production with the aim of making farms energy self-sufficient.
My name is Gabriella Sinclair. I'm a veterinary bioscience student at Aberystwyth University. I've been working on the Next Gen MP project with Kevin, and this has even included some hands-on learning experience.
Hello, my name is Tony Powell from Enviro365. We've just completed the Launchpad project for farm slurry dehydration. The whole principle behind it was to look at different systems and technology to identify a low-cost system and application solutions. And during the project, we tested hydrocyclones, which are gravity separators, sand filters, and other different solutions. But some of the questions that came out of it were basically, what's the difference between the nitrates and phosphates from a dairy herd and a beef herd on a farm? Basically, how does a farmer know whether or not he's got what nitrates and phosphates there are in the slurry pit? And we also came across an issue whereby some of the farm dirty water as such has got suspended solids that are under 20 micron. So what we're looking to do now moving forward is to see if we can build up a farm database throughout Wales with regards to nitrates and phosphates analysis. And then basically look at coming up with a system whereby we can actually create 2 chambers in a farm's pit that allows the reaction of basic products to be able to pull out the solids from the suspended solution.
Hello, my name is Jessica Powell. I am an apprentice with Enviro365. I am studying an NVQ and a HNC in chemistry. During this project, I've been given the roles of Communications Hub and Project Assistant. My role has allowed me to research, provide help during practical trials, and find funding for student input during further trials. I am looking forward to running my own section of the business in the future.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jay Ladd and I'm the co-founder of ArcitekBio. We are a clean tech company originating from Aberystwyth University and are looking to commercialise our sustainable low-cost biomanufacturing platform for producing the natural sweetener xylitol from multiple waste streams such as the wheat straw used in this project. Xylitol is one of the world's healthiest sweeteners and a sugar alternative with significant health benefits in terms of its dental, dietary and diabetic applications. Our company motto is to build sustainable sweeteners in an eco-friendly and sustainable manner. This is to provide our customers with sugar substitutes to mitigate these sugar-related health issues and to provide eco-manufacturing alternative to alleviate the supply chain and sustainability issues surrounding existing xylitol manufacturing. This project was to develop a new formulation of xylitol from agricultural derived waste and to generate prototypes for end-user testing. The Launchpad has helped us develop a powder formulation and to develop a key stakeholders in the food and drink supply chain. In the next phase, we're going to go to carry out demonstration scale biomanufacturing campaigns to generate tons of xylitol. Our vision is to have our own factory to produce several bio-based products.
Hi, my name is Rita, and for the last 3 months, I've been a work placement student for ArcitekBio for their Mid Wales Challenge-led Launchpad project. And during this project, I've supported and carried out lab-scale fermentation experiments, analytical analyses, I've written many reports, and I've also created some social media content. And during the project, I've learned many important technical, analytical, practical skills, and I think that these will be of use to me in the future as I'd like to go into evolutionary research.
Northridge North, Powys Organics Hub Partnership handles biomass waste streams from gardens, parks and roadside verges, sewage sludge from wastewater treatment plants and chicken litter from intensive poultry units. The challenge our project is helping to solve is that historically financial considerations have dominated biomass processing, which has concentrated on generating energy like electricity through burning biogas from AD. But we're in a paradigm shift. First, the absence of guaranteed payment schemes like the RHIs and FITs, which gave investors certainty, have gone. Secondly, the market needs to find ways of investing in carbon and nutrient outputs. Primarily, the Launchpad has helped us to think about how best to optimise Wales's biomass resources. Our plans for the future and next steps are to set up a pilot project to demonstrate a model based on carbon and nutrients.
My name is Lian. I work for Lohas Recycling. Our project tests the feasibility of using our enzyme technology to recycle poultry manure and transform it into safe and stable fertilizer. The challenges we looked at is the intensive poultry farming in Mid Wales and the related environmental impact, the air pollution, river and our soil. Our technology can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emission and help Mid Wales to achieve its net zero target. Launchpad have helped Lowhouse Recycling to make great progress during this short-term project, networking, connecting to the right people, and now we are in this position ready to scale up and help farmers in Mid Wales.
Hi, I'm Keenan, and my role in this project was project assistant. I conducted research, built a customer base. I learned about the fertilizer industry and the processes of producing our product. If I'm not with Lowhouse, I will be working in environmental concern somewhere.
My name is Gianmarco Sanfratello, one of the co-founder and co-director of PlantSea, a 2-year-old biotech startup developing plastic alternatives from seaweed. We are an ambitious, value-driven and consumer-focused team with a vision of turning the tide on plastic pollution. So our goal is to improve sustainability of the planet, helping customers to reduce their carbon footprint and to meet their needs. It's been challenging and exciting at the same time so far. As a R&D officer, I'm glad to say that the Launchpad program helped us extremely, funding the last research, collaborating with Aberinnovation and Biocomposter Center at Bangor University, but also supporting what's behind the research, lab rent, lab technician cost, and so on. We are now near to the prototyping stage, and we look forward to carry on our research, engaging more with research partner, business partner, and potential customers. Thank you.
Hi, my name's Leon. I've been working for PlantSea on their mulch film project, conducting research into biopolymers and mulch films and the chemistry involved. In this role, I've primarily been putting together a pattern database for them to use in the development of their own mulch film. And in future, I hope to go into research and develop myself. And the pattern research, the organisation skills around my degree, and the work in a professional environment will really aid in that.